Hello students, now from today we'll start a new chapter, that is collection and organization of data, chapter number 21, and we'll do 3 selective sums from exercise 21A, and this is S.Agarwal book. So we are doing from S.Agarwal book now. So the 3 sums which we'll do from this exercise are 7, 10 and 11. Okay, so what is there in question number 7, boys? That is the mean of first 6 odd natural numbers. So you have to find the mean of first 6 odd natural number. Okay, students, 6 odd natural numbers. So see, first 6 and odd number, it should be odd number. How many numbers you have to write? First 6, what you have to write? Odd, and it has to be natural numbers, not integers but natural numbers, and we know that natural number starts from 1, isn't it? 1. So there are so many natural numbers, but what are the first 6 odd natural numbers? So we have to write this first. So first 6 odd natural numbers are what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, students. Okay, so these are the first 6 odd natural numbers. Okay, now after this you have to find the mean. Therefore mean is equals to what? Sum of all observation, okay, by total number of observation, So sum of all observation will be what? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to do the addition. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 11 is 36, students. So it is 36 by 6. Now we can easily reduce this. That is 6 1 is 6, 6 6 are 36. So your required answer is 6. Okay, very easy. Okay, now let's move on to question number 10. So in question number 10, what we have to find out? Mean of first 6. Again first 6, but this time multiples of 5. Okay, so we have to write this first. That is, what are the first 6 multiples of 5? So first 6 multiples of 5. That means we have to work out on 5 table now. So what is the first multiple of 5? It is 5 ones are 5. 5 twos is what? 10. 5 threes is what? 15. 5 fours is what? 20. 5 fives is what? 25. 5 six are 30. So these are the first 6 multiples of 5. This is a very important information that you should have to give. Now after that you have to write mean. Therefore mean would be what? Mean would be equals to sum of all observation by total number of observation. Okay, so that will be 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 by 6. Okay, now if you add all these numbers, that is 15, 30, 50, 75 and 30. 75 plus 30 is 105. Okay, so it will be 105 by 6. Now these two numbers can be reduced by 3. That means 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So it will be 35 by 2, and if you divide it further, then your final answer will be 17.5, students. Okay, your answer would be 17.5. Now let's move on to the last sum of today's session, that is question number 11. Okay, for this you have to make one box. So as I said that for question number 11 you have to make a box, and in box there should be 3 columns should be there. Okay, the first 2 columns is exactly what is there in the question. You have to write it down. That is, weight in kg is written and number of walkers is written. Now students, weight in kg will let this as x, and number of walkers will let this as f. Okay, so now we'll write it down. What is there in weight in kg? 60, 63, 66. 60, 63, 66. Okay, and then what is given? 72 and 75. 72 and 75. And what about number of walkers? 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. Okay, this is what is exactly what I've written, what is written in the question. Okay, so no modification done. Now in the third column, what you have to do is you have to multiply these 2 numbers and you have to write the product here. That is 60 into 4 is what? 60 into 4 is 240. So you will write it down, 240. Product of these 2. Product of these 2, 63 and 5 would be 315. 66 into 3 would be 198. 72 into 1 would be 72. And 75 into 2 is 150. Okay. Now at last what you have to do is you have to find the total of this f terms and fx terms. Okay, just a minute. Now before you find out the total, one more thing you have to write is this symbol is called sigma. In other way you can also say this is called sigma. Okay, and this is also called summation. Summation, students. Okay, this is the Greek word sigma. Sigma means total of all the numbers. This symbol is mostly used in computers. Okay, so this is sigma. So sigma what? Sigma of all f. So you will write sigma f and you will write it, and then you will write equals to. Then this part is what? Sigma of fx. These are all fx, isn't it? So now first add this. That is 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. Okay, and what about this part? Now 240 plus 315, so you have to do the addition. 240 plus 315 will give you 5, 5, 5. Okay, now then you have to add 92 plus 72, so it will be what? 270. So it will be 5, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 825, and 825 plus 150, it will be what? 975, students. So the total is 975. So let's do it. Total is 975. Okay, so now we have to find out the mean. So the formula of mean would be equals to summation of fx, this one, by summation of f. Now what is summation of fx? 975 by 15. So if you reduce this number by 15, you will get 65 as answer. Okay students, I hope all of you have understood these 3 sums. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care.